welcome back to my channel. Today this video is gonna be about a day in my life. So why I chose this day was a little special from other days, other boring weekdays. So today is Sunday, so let's see how my day goes. I'm just vlogging for half day, so do watch. So starting from milk for my daughter, I use Akshay Kalpa milk. I'm getting the tulsi water ready for my daughter. So basically I am leaving my daughter with my husband today and going out for some reason. Y'all would know what reason it would be. So I'm getting everything done. So one side I'm making her milk, the other side I'm getting her water ready for the day, and here I'm doing apple milkshake with some almond milk. I always use this raw almond milk unsweetened for the milkshakes. So I've kept everything ready for my daughter. Breakfast to milkshake, snacks, everything. Now I am going to get ready. Before that I have to get into my bedroom, and there is where my daughter is sleeping. Rini is sleeping, so I hope I am not waking her up. This is the way she sleeps. I think that's why it is called Balasana in yoga. So baby sleeping pose. So my daughter sleeps like this. So some of y'all had asked me to make a dance makeup video, so that is what I'm gonna do today, because I have a performance today. So I thought I will make a life in a day vlog. Yeah, so today's vlog has my makeup for my performance. So do watch and do let me know if y'all liked it. First I use a moisturizer, and here's my makeup kit. Primer, I use Color Bar primer. If you all had watched my makeup kit video, you all would know, or if you have not yet watched, you all can watch it, and the link is above. Next is the Dazzler foundation stick. Why is it important to put a primer is only then the makeup will set well. It will like smudge properly in your face. This is a concealer. So do watch the other makeup video, makeup kit video, so that you all will know all the products which I have. So it's easier from where I got it and all the details about it. So concealer, you'll need to put it only where you have dark circles. This is another concealer which I have. which is like for every part of your face has a different text color. So according to the instruction I'm gonna use this. I've not used much. I use it only during performance or for any special occasions. So this says under eye, so I'm using it only for my under eyes. So there are 6 palettes in this. It does work. You all can see the difference between my right eye and left. So I'm going ahead and doing it for my other eye too. Next I'm using for the marks on my face. Next is the compact. Again I use the Dazzler compact itself. This Dazzler brand is actually good for dance makeup because I don't know, this is what we have been using since many years now. So, and we really like this particular brand, and yeah, so I have a set of Dazzler just for my dance makeup. Next would be eyeshadow and blush. I don't use particularly eyeshadow shadow. I use the same blush on my eyes too, and I use mainly pink because that looks very nice on stage. So since many years I've been using only pink, so this is what looks good on me and good on stage while performance. Next would be eyebrows. This is a new addition for my makeup kit. Is an eyebrow pencil from Minicio again. I recently got it and I loved it. So this is, and it's very easy to apply. So this is what I'm using today. So my daughter finally woke up. So I'm gonna draw my eyes with my favorite pencil of mine. It's from the Color Bar, a blue shade one. So with that itself I'm gonna draw my eyes. finally the lipstick. Of course it's not final, there are many more things to do. I need to put mascara, kajal and all that, but yeah, lipstick I'm using Sugar brand. So using blush, if you'll notice, I'm using the same brush for foundation and compact and everything. I think I need to buy more brushes, but it works well. So here I am using Clara kajal, which is very good. It is smudge proof and long lasting. Will give you all a tip. If your eyes waters during makeup, just take a tissue and keep it at the edge of your eye and tilt your head, so all the water will be absorbed in your tissue, and it's very easy way to remove the tears from your eyes. Even some people have a lot of tears there, and which becomes difficult to apply kajal. So even for them you can actually do that. Keep the tissue at the edge of the eyes, and then the water will be absorbed in the tissue. So this is my final look. Yeah, today I'm not completely in classical costume. It is semi-classical. So yes, I'm all ready, set to perform. I think this drive is about 15 to 20 minutes, so we'll reach soon, and yeah, that's it. So most probably I won't be able to attach a long video of mine, of the performance of mine, but maybe few clips of my performance I will do attach in this video because of the copyright issues. But then I'm gonna upload the whole dance video in my Instagram page. So if you all have not yet followed my Instagram, do follow and do watch my performance. Yeah, okay, and do like, share and do subscribe to my channel. So watch the video till the end.
more excited to go back home because I want to see my two kids, that is my husband and my daughter. So more excited to see them because this is the first time I'm leaving my daughter with my husband and going out for so long. But this was just one now, but yeah. And yeah, the performance was fine, all went on well. I just finished my performance and we left. We didn't wait for the whole program to happen because of my daughter, yeah. And also I wanted to tell about the souvenir. I got a souvenir for my performance, which is a plant. I feel very happy when I get a plant as a souvenir or a gift or a return gift and all that. So I'm very happy to get a plant. And yeah, I will show you all once I reach home, yeah. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up.
So much for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share and do subscribe to my channel and keep watching all my videos. Until then, bye bye.